So hi guys, today we will see 217 number question on Leetcode. So this question contains duplicate. What description is saying, like given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So what they're saying, like if there is any duplicate inside an array, we have to return true, and if there is no duplicate, we have to return false. So let's do this question. So one thing we can do is we can create a scene set, a scene like object, and we can run loop. So we can run loop on the, like, this array, and we will assign scene to a variable, like on traversing. First of all, it will go to the one, like 0 index, and it will assign that variable to scene. So scene will be 1 equals to true, 2 equals to true, 3 equals to true, and we will simultaneously check if previous, like in object, is there any variable which is already seen. If that is already seen, then it is a duplicate, so we'll return true for that instance. So I less than nums dot if there is scene of nums of I, so that is the variable. If that is the true, then return true. Else we can, what we can do is, like, we can assign, so scene of nums of I equals to true. If like for loop completes without returning the true, then we know that it is doesn't contain any duplicate, and we have to return false. Let's run this program. So as you can see, it passes the result. It is accepted. So now one thing we can do is, like, we can do it in a line. We know that whenever we create a new set from an array, it always removes the duplicate and contain only the distinct element. So what we have done is, like, we have created a set for that array, and it will remove its like duplicates element. So as there is four element in it, in the first one, it will create set for three only, 1 2 3, and when we convert it again inside into an array, it will only contain three element. So we are checking that three element to the original one, that is 4. So we know that it removes the duplicate element, and now its length is not equals to what it was previously. That significance that it has contained duplicate element. That's why we are returning true. So let's run this code, and it will run, and it will be accepted. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow with a new question.